Hi guys! So I'm working on the cooking theme journal again today. So this video just follows on from yesterday, and if you've missed the previous videos in the cooking theme journal series, I'll put the link to the playlist in the comments box below. Sometimes I put these stamp catalogue pages in the pockets, for whoever gets the journal to use, but I think I'm going to leave it as a page. I'll leave that for now. This will probably have a pocket, a big pocket stuck there. And I may do that now. These are some more of those old cookbooks. And what I think I might do is make a pocket out of that. Okay. Oh, just had a crap-a-lanch. Move one thing on my desk and everything goes flying. Okay, so we'll make it a fairly biggish pocket. I might cut to about there. Maybe there. Oops, need to trim the other side. Oh, I want that wording on there. Let me snip a bit off this side. And this side. Does that fit? Ooh, it's a bit tight. I might need to sew that on. See, I need to sew everything. I can't help but sew everything. Yeah, what I might do is, it's quite close to there. Let's see if we can get a smidgen more off. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. I don't think I need to sew that, do I? Actually, I will sew it. I'm going to glue it and I will sew it because look at the nice colour on the other side. So that other part, I will make a tag out of this, but I will cover this side because look, the other side is beautiful and discoloured. So what I might do, I will glue this on, but when I sew it, I'll sew there. I was going to leave this unglued, but I just glued it, didn't I? Dum dum. That's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'll let that dry and then I'm going to sew down there so that you can see it on this side as well. So I've sewn that page. Okay. So this one I've sewn all the way down and across with a small zigzag using dark brown thread. Oops, where's my scissors? Might get rid of that thread. So that's my pocket. And in that pocket, I might put some of the egg recipe pages from that book. Okay, let's see. I'll just pick at random. I like the ones with the little pictures. They're really cute. So I might pick those two. So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little recipes on there. So we'll pop those in there. Oop, where am I? Okay, on this page I only sewed that little this little bit there. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's nighttime now and I'm freezing. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Okay, so I only sewed this little bit there. I'll pop this page back into the signature. Now I think that was there. Why can't I find the opening to this page? All right. Okay, let's see. I don't want it to be too fat. Okay, let's start from the beginning. This is a cute little diary that I've got. Let me show you. You may have seen it in previous videos. Little Collins Australian diary, and it's from 1957. There's a few bits of writing here and there, but the pages are nice and discoloured. It's a nice creamy colour, and it's so cute. I'll eventually also make a little journal out of the cover because it's just gorgeous. But yeah, I found that quite a few years ago. I've been putting like 1 or 2 little pages in each journal because I'm trying to make it last. It's really hard to find stuff like that here in Australia. Well, where I live anyway. Okay. That. Wish this page will... I might have to put that under some heavy books. Okay, we've got that page. That. Now, on this side, I was going to put this little sewn pocket. I think I'll snip the threads off this one. Oops. What was I going to do? Make a pocket. Okay, let's glue that on. I love finding a use for these glue pages. I have so many. So if I can use one, it makes me so happy. They're really good for journal cards and pockets. Just cover them up. Okay, I'm just going to, oops, put that there. And I've sewn my fork and knife out of a magazine. And this will go into there when it's dry. So we'll leave that there for now. Okay, now this little booklet that I made, somewhere in here, I remember I had a pocket page. There. It's in the next signature. Look at this crunchy. This was out of a photo album. It's so crunchy. Okay, was this it? Yes, okay. I've got a big pocket there. And this was from a paper bag. So what I've done, I've got a pocket there. What did I do here? Oh, a pocket there and a pocket there. And because the bag was so wide, I've folded it up and I've made a pocket on each side. So this one I haven't finished, well, I haven't started doing anything with it yet, but I'm going to pop this in here for now. Oh no, will it fit? Maybe it should go in there. Oh, okay, that fits well. Okay, that little book can go in there. Okay, I might leave it at that for today, and I might keep filming me working on bits of it. I know, I feel like it's going to be too fat. I might have to take pages out, because I haven't even put any pockets or ephemera in yet. We'll see. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.